Welcome to Himalaya Machinery Private Limited. This video presentation is a humble attempt to provide fair information about plate bending machines to all the prospective buyers. If you are planning to buy a plate bending machine, this presentation will help you make right decision that is in your best interest. There are primarily two types of plate bending machines available in the market: 3-roll machines and 4-roll machines. In many ways, both of these machines are similar, and in some ways they are different. Both the types of machines work similarly for the operations of pre-bending, rolling and post-bending. The bending process requires that the workpiece is supported at 2 points and force is exerted at the third point. In the process of pre-bending, which is also called pre-pinching or edge bending, a 3-roll machine works this way. The plate is gripped between one of the bottom rolls and the top roll, while the other bottom roll is raised upward to pre-bend. The gripping bottom roll moves down slightly due to hydraulic pressure relief. This process generates the required bending lever arm, which is equal to the flat end at the plate edge. 4-roll machines also work in the same way. Here, the plate is gripped between top and bottom roll. One of the side roll is raised upward to pre-bend. The bottom roll moves down slightly and bending lever arm is created. Here too, the flat end at the plate edge is equal to the bending lever arm. At this juncture, let us try to understand a hypothetical situation where we try to bend a plate with both the supports perpendicular to the plate at the same point. As you can see, the plate will not bend but just hinge. Let us go one step further. What happens if these supporting points are placed at the end of the plate? If you try to bend it by raising the other bottom support, the plate will come out of the grip. This is exactly what happens if you try to bend plate in 4-roll machine, keeping edge of the plate in this way. This means that by gripping the plate at the end, you cannot create zero flat end edge bending. Apart from edge bending, both 3-roll machines and 4-roll machines are similar in cone bending, hot rolling and non-circular bending operations. Both of these machines can be fitted with PLC and CNC controls. Despite so many similarities, 3-roll plate bending machines are preferred choice of customers because they offer some startling advantages over 4-roll machines. The first and foremost advantage is the cost. 3-roll machines are cheaper than 4-roll machines of the same capacity. Construction of 3-roll machines is compact compared to 4-roll machines of the same capacity. This makes it easier to mobilize and it requires less floor space. 4-roll machine has 2 rolls pressing against each other, which makes it difficult to re-roll welded jobs. Also, during the hot rolling, plate thickness may reduce due to direct pressure from the bottom roll. We believe that this information will help you make the right decision that suits your need. Thank you very much for your precious time.